Hi friends, Infora again introduces a wonderful product. It is a mathematical lab kit, Alpha2Omega, for standard 1, developed by ISRT, and this kit is beautiful Institute of Scientific Research and Training, which provides scoring in 100% mark of mathematics to each students in standard 1. Dr. Hukum Sim developed this idea and the content is beautifully explained in this box from the top to the bottom, and the right side which we can see the projects book, about the projects books and about the series and everything, and this is very clearly mentioned to understand. Now let us open the kit, let us unbox the kit, and we can see all the materials which are inside. This is catalog about Alpha2Omega, and we have very special products, and this is a special post to ISRT, and we have the project books of mathematics, and we have CD, we have charts, we have demonstration books which explains each project's works of the materials, how to be used by the kid, how the parent can support, how the teachers can support, and everything very clearly detail explained from page to page, from the starting to end. And the project book also explains very perfectly from the about the math project, about the all definition on the differences of the mathematics. And there is a workbook, and kids can do their work very properly without any confusion. Now let us go to the material box, what are contained inside the material box. Now we can see this box is beautifully designed and well packed and with the plastic content, and we can see the complement with respect to 9 and 10, as well as concept of zero block circle is there. Now second addition, facts of addition and subtraction, shapes and colors, subtraction, currency, the kid's currency, this is actually, and addition made easy, and longer and shorter, how it works properly. We can see the cubes there, the cube blocks, see the cube box, and we have the addition table, we have addition net. You can see the material inside the free cover. You can see the material number string. See, the number string is a beautiful one for each kit, can and grouping and matching. And these are the things which contain in the material box inside the kit. And we have CD, and this CD is about the project, the class 1 project. We can see the CD. These both CDs are very easily understandable to the kids, and in the cover we have some very proper things which have to learn by each kid in their young age. Charles Babbage, David Hilbert. We can see the photos of the mathematicians, the old mathematician, and we can see Iyengar Ramanujan, and as well as Plato. See, additionally we have the daughter drawings, and as well as complement with respect to 10, complement with respect to 9 is there, as well as data handling sheet. You can see the finding the bee flower puzzle. This is about rabbit. See, this is the addition table, patterns, and the colors and shapes, and these are about concepts of zero, addition as well as subtractions. So friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.